Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got from the man Dom himself. Like, I'm not even kidding. So I was on Twitter the other night and I noticed that Dom had posted some Poshmark mystery boxes. I was just like, ugh. And me, being the creepy person that I am, said, give me it. I saw, ooh, 2 hoodie size large, mine, and then I bought them, and I was incredibly happy that I texted 3 of my closest friends, Chris, Caitlin, and Noelle, and I was just like, guess what? And only Noelle knew who I was talking about, so they're not my friends anymore. Just kidding. So anyways, I bought it like the psycho I am, and I cannot wait to see what's in here. Because for those of you who don't know, I'm absolutely in love with Dominic, okay? Dom is my man, okay? Back off. He's mine, not yours. He doesn't know me. He has 0 clue that I exist, except for when I did tweet him back that I bought one of his items that he liked it, so now he knows who I am, so therefore we're married. And fingers crossed that this smells like Dom, because I have always dreamt to just know what he smells like. I wonder if he's actually worn these. We don't know. And I'm gonna obviously tweet this at Dom, and I'm gonna Instagram this at Dom. And if you happen to be watching this, Dom, I'm not a stalker, I swear. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed these types of videos from me, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm so excited about this. I'm just gonna get out Mr. Smith & Wesson. Okay. Okay, first off, it smells so good in here. It smells so good. Again, I am not a stalker, swear. Okay, first hoodie on top. I'm so excited. I'm literally so excited. My heart is pounding and I feel anxiety for absolutely no reason. I don't know why. I'm so excited. I don't even want to look at it. That's how excited I am. Like, real quick, let's just story time, because I'm just like trying to take the moment in. I've bought something from 2 other like influencers off of the Poshmark, because you guys know I love Poshmark. I bought, and this is gonna sound really creepy, I bought something from Trisha Paytas, and it just so happened to be a bra. And it's a great bra. I love it. And then I bought something from Darren Page, which if you don't know, she's from Jersey Shore's Double Shot at Love. I bought her bra and her Calvin Klein purse, and love those items. So that makes me sound so creepy that I buy influencers bras, and now a man that I am secretly in love with clothes. Whatever. It is what it is. It is what it is, okay? It's 2020. This is the year of weird stuff and unusual things, okay? Whatever. So we just have a white hoodie, and I'm so excited about it that I'm just gonna wear it around my house. And yeah, it feels nice and heavy, and I can't wait to snuggle. It's from the brand Talentless, which is Scott Disick's brand, I think. Dominic is like an Italian Scott Disick in my eyes. So yeah, I'm excited just to wear this. I'm excited. It smells good. I need to know, Dom, did you wear this? I need it for research. Saying. Here we have the New York hoodie. I don't know what this means, but I'm gonna wear it with honor. It's blue, it's pretty, and it smells good, so I'm very excited. This is a very strange video, but I'm really happy. Just saying. I mean, if I have to say, my overall experience was really great, but I'm a little disappointed that he didn't add his phone number in here. So where do I call and complain? So if you guys were wondering, these are now my 2 most favorite clothing items in my closet, in my house, that I will ever own. Just knowing that these were Dom's. Did he ever wear these? I have no idea. Again, I need to know. Dom, did you wear these? Research. That's it. Strictly research. That is it. I promise. So, I guess that's about it for this video. I just wanted to open and show you what I got and be really awkward and also extremely happy at the same time, because when this camera shuts off, I'm putting one of these on, okay? I am. Also, I need to know what this cologne is, because this is good. He's probably like, what cologne? And that's just the scent of Dom's natural musk. It smells good though, like, I'm excited. Also, to make this video a little less awkward, I also bought this from Poshmark from someone. It's from Pink Lily, and it's so cute. And also, I have something coming today, at least it said it was coming today, from Laura Lee Los Angeles. Well, not not Lorely Los Angeles, but Nudie Patootie. I will be doing a clothing haul for that. So I'm really, really excited whenever it gets here. Hopefully it gets here soon or today, because the mail this past week has been insane. Just saying. But anyways, that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, even though it was very strange, very weird, very not so upbeat, then give it a thumbs up anyways. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And yeah, I'm still waiting for your number, Dom. Still waiting. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. And Dom, I will see you in my DMs. I mean it.